Microsoft Excel is an essential tool for organizing, analyzing, and presenting data. One of the most powerful and commonly used formulas in Excel is the if function. Whether you're managing a budget, analyzing sales, or preparing reports, the if function helps automate decisions based on specific conditions. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know about using the if function in Microsoft Excel, including syntax, examples, and practical tips. Use the if function in Excel to compare text or values in a cell to what you are expecting. Select a cell type equals if and add the condition to test. In this case, we are seeing if actual is greater than budgeted, add an if true value, and an if false value. Press enter. Select the cell and track to apply the if to other rows. That's it. The if function in Microsoft Excel is one of the most versatile and powerful tools for decision-making in spreadsheets, from basic true, false checks to advanced nested conditions. IF allows you to automate tasks, reduce errors, and save time, whether you're working in finance, education, inventory, or data analysis. Mastering the IF function can make your spreadsheet smarter and more efficient. Once you understand the basics, you can combine the if function with other logical functions like AND, OR, and isBlank for even more dynamic results. Excel's flexibility allows you to handle nearly any scenario, and the if function is often at the heart of it. So the next time you face a repetitive decision in Excel, try using the if function. It will not only improve your efficiency, but also your confidence in data handling.